Hey, Jim Starwald here with 8 cost-effective ways to improve your bathroom's value. Today's market, bathrooms and kitchens sell houses. Making improvements to your bathrooms offers one of the best returns on investment possible when selling a home in today's current marketplace. So let's go fast through this. Paint. You can totally change the look of a bathroom with paint. It's a smaller room. Choose a neutral color to make your accessories with bold colors pop. Or choose a bold color and design around that. You can also create a striking monochromatic effect by painting walls to match the floor color. If you want your cabinets, fixtures, and hardware to stand out, that's the way you would go. You can paint the vanity. Don't feel like painting the walls. Paint the vanity a bold color that plays off the bathroom accents. Adding new hardware and faucets are an inexpensive way to take this inexpensive upgrade to the next level. You can replace the vanity. They're not that expensive. It's pretty easy to do. If you have any home improvement skills whatsoever, you should be able to do that. A little tough on the plumbing maybe. But if paint and new hardware won't save the look, consider a new vanity. Modern vanities offer plenty of storage. They're easy to replace yourself. You can find full vanities with modern undermount sink included for sometimes around $300 if you look around. Think about your floors. You'd be surprised what a good scrubbing with a heavy-duty cleaner or abrasive cleaner, if it's appropriate, just be careful with that. You can make the floors look new and shining. If you have outdated tile or linoleum that's just beyond saving, look into getting new tile. There's also some very good luxury vinyl tiles these days. Luxury vinyl planks, very easy to put in, very easy to cut. They go right over top of the old floor that's there. They don't take up much room. I think they're probably less than a 1/4 inch thick. Change the shower head. Upgrading that vanity hardware is a great way to instantly modernize your bathroom. People forget about the shower head. That's no different. Consider the increasingly popular rain shower head, or go with a super cool LED lit shower head that has color changing lights, dozens of spray patterns. You can find both these options at most hardware stores, usually under $100. If you thought about adding shelving, storage an issue? Open shelving not only creates storage, but also provides a new medium for accent and color decoration. Towels are, of course, a functional way to add color here, and baskets that can maximize the storage potential. So yeah, stack those colorful tiles on there. Cover problem walls. Maybe you've got an older house where the walls aren't smooth, maybe they're uneven. Look at decorative panels such as beadboard, which is cheaper than tile and hardier than wood. If white isn't for you, you can also always paint them an accent color. Just one coat of paint away. Last but not least, tip number 8, change the lighting. It's amazing how big an impact a new light fixture can have on a bathroom. You can not only modernize the space that you would with updated fixtures and hardware, you can also get better lighting with newer fixtures that get bright feeling, and today's buyers love that. So go on in, take a look at your own bathroom and look up at your lights and go, wow, probably should change that. You'd be surprised at the difference it makes. Give me a call today if you want to find out what your home's value is. Jim Starwald, Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Star Homes, team leader of the Jim Starwald team. Click any of these links below and you can reach me. We'll talk to you soon.